students, myself Deepika Rana from DR Physica channel. Welcome to all in this channel. In today's video lecture, I am going to discuss about projectile motion. So watch this video till the end. Let's start. Projectile motion. Projectile motion is a form of motion where an object moves in a parabolic path. The path that object follow, it's called a trajectory. Projectile motion only occurs when there is one force applied at the beginning on the trajectory, after which the only interference is from gravity. So the definition of projectile motion is when an object is thrown in a gravitational field of the earth, it moves with the constant horizontal velocity and constant vertical acceleration. Such a two-dimensional motion is called the projectile motion, and such an object is called a projectile. For example, when a footballer kicks a football, it performs a projectile motion if air resistance is neglected. And a motion of cricket ball thrown in a air by a cricketer can be considered to be a projectile motion. And here the ball is called a projectile. Here are some more example of the projectile motion. Now let us learn about the equation of the projectile motion. This is a parabola shape. Now let's draw the axis of x and axis of y, and draw the tangent on this curve. Tangent shows the direction of velocity, that is vector v0. Now just draw the corresponding line on x-axis and on y-axis. See, here theta naught makes an angle between vector v0 and axis x. Now let's take the component of vector v0. On the x-axis, v0 cos theta naught I cap, and on y-axis, v0 sin theta naught into j cap. Here I cap and j cap is a unit vector of x-axis and y-axis respectively. The acceleration acting on the projectile is due to the gravity, which is directed vertically downward direction, and that's why vector A equals to minus g j cap. Here x component is absent, so A of x equal to 0 and A of y equals to minus g. And the velocity vector v0 can be divided into two components. v0x equals to v0 cos theta naught and v0y equals to v0 sin theta naught. It's the x component and y component of vector v0. Now, if we take the initial position to be the origin of the coordinate system, the coordinate of the point of projection would be x0 equals to 0 and y0 equals to 0. Now, at the time t, projectile is at point q. So here there are two components of the velocity, vector v. So first component is on the x-axis and second component on a y-axis. Coordinate of point q is x and y. Now using the kinematics equation for x component, so x equals to x0 plus p0 of x into t plus half a of x t square, and y equals to y0 plus v0 y into t plus half a of y t square. Here x naught and y naught is a coordinate of origin. So x naught equals to 0, v naught x is equals to v naught cos theta naught, and a of x equals to 0. Y naught equals to 0, v naught y equals to v naught sin theta naught, and a of y equals to minus g. Now substitute all values in this kinematics equation. We get x is equal to in bracket of v naught cos theta naught bracket complete into t, and y equals to in bracket v naught sin theta naught bracket complete into t minus plus minus minus, so minus half into gt square. Here equation x is equal to v naught cos theta naught t and y equals to v naught sin theta t minus half gt square give the position of the projectile at any instant of time. Now let's take the component of velocity at point Q. So the x component of the velocity is v of x equal to v naught x plus a of x into t. Here v naught x equals to v naught cos theta naught and a of x equals to 0. To put the value in above equation, we get v of x equals to v naught cos theta naught, a of x equals to 0. So second term will be 0. Okay. So v of x equals to v naught cos theta naught. This equation gives the value of velocity along the x direction. Now let us find out the value of velocity along the y direction. So using the kinematics equation, v of y equal to v naught y plus a of y into t. Here v naught y equals to v naught sin theta naught. So we just put in place of v naught y. And a of y equals to minus g. Okay. So put the value in place of a of y. We get minus gt. So the equation of v of y equals to v naught sin theta naught minus gt. And this equation gives the value of velocity along the y direction. Using these equations, coordinate of the position of the projectile at any time in terms of two parameters, v naught and theta naught, can be obtained. And remember that during the entire motion of the projectile, the x component of its velocity remains constant, while y component of velocity changes like an object in free fall in a vertical direction. Let's get obtain the equation of trajectory of projectile. The equation giving the relation between x and y coordinates of a projectile is known as the equation of trajectory of a projectile. To obtain the equation of trajectory of projectile, we take the equation of distance, that is x equal to v naught cos theta naught into t. Now in this equation we have to subject time. So time t equals to x v naught cos theta goes into denominator. So the equation of time t equals to x upon v naught cos theta. Now we can find out equation of trajectory of a projectile from this equation of time. So obtain the equation of trajectory of projectile, we take component of y. So the equation of y is y equals to v naught sin theta naught into t minus half gt square. Now put the value of time t in this equation. We get v naught sin theta naught into in bracket of x whole divided by V naught cos theta naught bracket complete minus 1 upon 2 g in bracket x upon V naught cos theta naught the whole square. Here V naught cut, sin theta naught upon cos theta naught equal to tan theta naught. So the y equals to x is as it is and tan theta naught minus half as it is into g as it is whole divided by V naught cos theta naught the whole square into x square is as it is. In y equation, V naught, theta naught and g all are constant. It is of the form of y equals to ax minus bx square. And in this equation, a and b are constants. This is the equation of parabola. Hence, we can say that the part of a projectile is a parabola. So, the y equals to tan theta naught into x minus g whole divided by 2 into V naught cos theta naught the whole square into x square is the equation of trajectory of projectile. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video lecture. Have a nice day.